Do your WooCommerce emails feel a bit too generic? Want to take them to the next level and create a professional, branded experience for your customers? With ShopLentor's email customizer, you can easily design stunning, personalized email templates without any coding skills required. In today's video, we'll show you how to transform your email marketing and engage your customers more effectively. Let's dive in. At first, take a look at the different types of WooCommerce emails. These are the types of emails WooCommerce sends to the owner admin. These are the types of emails WooCommerce sends to the customers. Let's customize email templates. Go to the ShopLentor settings, modules. Enable the email customizer module and save settings. Click Create your own customized email. From Template Builder, click Add New Template. Enter name of the template. Type. Select the editor Elementor or Gutenberg. Choose Pre-built templates from here. Click Sample Pre-build Design, chose one and save all data. Then click Edit the template. Here you can update all the widget content. Now let's check how to add custom email template. Click Add New Template. Enter the name of the template. Select the email type as New Order. Choose the editor, Elementor or Gutenberg. Click Set as Default and save all data. Then click Edit Template. You can use all the available widgets here to create the email template. And that's how easy it is to customize your WooCommerce emails with ShopLentor's email customizer. Want to make your emails stand out and engage your customers? Start customizing your email templates today. Click the link below to get started and take your email marketing to the next level.